What's up, everybody? Welcome back to Broken Bonds, and today we will be reviewing this Mace brand, upside down, stun light. The other day my mom asked me for a flashlight, so I thought I'd go ahead and get her this. It is a flashlight and a stun gun. On the front we have a 3-position sensor, back, middle, and forward. Back and forward, the light will be off. The middle is where all the action takes place. We have high setting by pushing the switch to the middle. Then you can either rock it forward or backwards right now. Back to the middle, we have low power. Again, you can rock it forward or back to turn it off. Well, why do we have 3 positions, you ask? Well, not only is this a flashlight, but it's also the stun gun. And the stun gun must be in, this switch has to be in the forward position. Oh, I'm sorry, one more thing. Back to the middle, we have strobe to disorient your attackers. So again, there's 3 positions, back, middle, and forward. You can speed through to find the setting that you're desiring. But when it's time to get down to business to turn on the stun gun, I figured out that this must be in the forward position. Once that happens, here's the red button to activate the stun gun. You must turn this switch to on. This is the arming switch. Right now it's set to off. Pressing the red button does nothing. Put the position in the middle. Red button does nothing. Put the position in the back. Nothing. This must be set to on. Still does nothing. In the middle, nothing. But in the forward position with the arming. But in the forward position with the arm switch set to on. Forward position, the red button does. Woo! That's exciting. That is a scary sound. Whoa. Okay. Hey, I got a little shock from there. A little bit of residual. Okay, good to know. Good to know. Did you hear that? That was okay. That was exciting. That was exciting. Again, middle position, arm switch on. Nothing happens. Back position, arm switch still on. Nothing happens. Back to forward. Business time. Okay, and I'm not going to touch the front now because of that residual static. Yeah, that's a scary sound, and now it starts to smell like electricity. All right, let's turn this sucker off because I'm gonna hurt myself. Mace brand flashlight stun gun, stun light, made in China. Wouldn't you know? Comes with a clip. Let's put this position back into the rear position. So to me, that's 2 safeties. All the way back, safe. Arming switch off, safe. All the way forward, we're almost in danger. Or not danger, we're almost in business mode. But again, all the way forward. Arming switch off. No dice. Switch on. Position forward. Woohoo! Love that sound. Alright, so arming off. Middle is where you have all your light. Let's put this in the back position. Again, to cycle through. The next spot should be low. Okay, there's low. And then cycling through. Back to the middle, we have the strobe to disorient the people. Woohoo! Party! Get down! Off. I like it. It's a good little light. That's pretty decent. You know, it's not anything to write home about. But hey, it's a flashlight, and it has a low position. I haven't tested the longevity of the battery yet, but let's be honest. This is a stun gun. You're going to want to keep it fully charged at all times. Oh yeah. It's rechargeable. So that looks like a micro USB. Some people call it the Android charger. And this light will go from red to yellow to green. Red is charging. Yellow, it's almost ready. Green means it's ready to go. So again, it's a stun gun, so you're probably going to want to keep it at 100% all the time. I charged it last night to get ready for this video, so we can do a lot of this. Arming on. Forward position. Hold your breath. That is a scary sound. Yeah, I'm excited. I can tell. Can you tell? And back to off. So, Mace brand mini stun gun flashlight. Sorry, it's not a stun gun. It's a stun light. Stun light right there. It cost about $19.88 before tax. I picked it up at Walmart. I think I'm going to get a few more of these because this little sucker's badass. Sorry for swearing, but hey, we're all grown-ups here. I'm just gonna do it again because this is fun. Okay, I'm done. Video's over. Now I gotta drive. All nervous and good times. Thanks for tuning in. Broken Bond signing off.